Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a car. Before beginning, adjust your seat so your feet comfortably reach the pedals, ensuring a slight knee bend for full control. Next, check all three mirrors, confirming clear views of your surroundings and the entire back window. Always fasten your seatbelt securely, making sure it crosses your lap and shoulder without twisting. Familiarize yourself with the steering wheel and essential dashboard controls. This careful preparation is crucial for a safe and controlled driving experience. With your seatbelt fastened and mirrors set, it is time to start the car. First, ensure the parking brake is engaged. Then insert your key and turn it, or press the start button, keeping your foot firmly on the brake pedal. Once running, shift into drive for automatic vehicles or first gear for manual cars. Carefully release the parking brake, then gently press the accelerator with your right foot to begin moving forward. Maintain smooth control as you gradually increase speed. Proper steering technique is fundamental for control and safety. Hold the steering wheel firmly with both hands, ideally at the 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock positions for optimal leverage. Use smooth, gradual movements to guide the vehicle, avoiding any jerky motions that could cause you to swerve. Always look ahead at least 12 to 15 seconds down the road, scanning for upcoming turns and potential hazards. This proactive approach helps maintain excellent lane control and safe reactions. Braking effectively is as vital as accelerating. To slow down or stop, apply gentle, progressive pressure to the brake pedal with your right foot. Stopping distances vary significantly with speed, road conditions, and vehicle weight. For instance, a car at 30 miles per hour needs about 100 feet to halt. When stopping, gradually ease off the brake just before the car completely stops for a smooth, comfortable finish. This consistent practice builds essential muscle memory for safe braking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.